There is? Where?
Well... The secret exit was a lie. Ready? Choo choo! Dan! 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 No! Dan! How can this happen to me? I made my mistake. Oh, Dan's gonna... I mean, like... Oh, why? Seriously? Oh, let's do it. Hey everyone, down here, and welcome back to Turbo Dismount. Oh, jeez. What? Oh my goodness, what's happening? What? Okay. Well, oh my goodness, what's happening to my body? Oh, gee. Hey, girl who whines all the time, guess what? What? Fire truck? What with that meanie? Hey, that's not nice. Oh, shut up, Dan. Oh, wow. Dan just broke a leg and we haven't even started. Oh my. Dan! That's idiot! Oh! That was such a weak sound. Oh no! No. Okay, I think the problem is that he's not inside the vehicle. He needs to be in the vehicle. There we go. Up to the ramp. Oh no! No! What just happened? Squeak! Okay. Here we go. Dan, that pose though. I should have made him like that, one of those. This moment. Okay. And listen. Stop it. Just stop. I wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Oh, I wonder. That was I did not even know that post was possible. Just stay inside the vehicle. Do not go anywhere on that wrecking ball. We're gonna Taylor Swift this up. Go. No! Oh, it landed. Okay, where's your arm? From. No! 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 He slid down to safety. Let's try that again, shall we? Go, 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 go. At least make it up. Seriously? Aww. Go! Oh. Listen. I had to. So I actually removed the ramp this time. Go. Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 No! Wait! Stop! Actually, give me a check of the car this time. Whoa! Oh! 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 Who's gonna go down first? Me? It's me. It's definitely me. Oh, jeez, there goes the ball. There goes the. Really? How far away is this thing go? It's actually. Whoa! We're so high. We are so high in the air. Oh god. Look at this. Even in them 6 flips, dude. Ah! Oh, you for real, man? Let's do that again. I don't know if we'll make it down in time. We will. Ooh. Bruh. Ready? It's about to happen. I'm ready. I'm so ready. Well then. Ah! 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 Stop it! My head! I'm so sorry that this has to happen to you. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. Well, boom. I found the new car layout. Ow! Let's go. Like what it says. Oh! 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 What's happening? What? What just happened? Okay. Like usual, we were supposed to get flinged. But instead, the car gets flinged. We got hit by the frickin'. We almost landed back inside of it. Oh, and then we got hit in the face. Like that. Wow. And you also said that there could... Where it can go... Oh. I got an idea. What if we take this thing up? This route. And we can also go through... Let's put servo pads on everything. Okay. I think we're ready. Yeah, bruh, man. Really? Ah! Oh! Okay then. Oh yeah. What the? Where were you going? On way. Whoa. What? No. Oh, squealer. Okay. Okay. What? Oh. Yeah. That just happened. What's the replay? Yeah. It's what the... It's happening again, y'all. It's happening again. Ah! Whoa! I think flip, dude. What? Why are you kicking me? Seriously? Why does that thing move on its head? No. Stop it. What the? Let's go up here. Oh, really? You just... What? Oh! Why that thing has no eyeballs? Dude. And then we kick it. We actually flippin' kick it. Listen, that's it. I gotta play it in half. Just look. Oh dear. Well, that goes for this episode of Turbo Dismount. If you want, Turbo Dismount is the next Turbo Dismount video is gonna be on Wednesday. I don't know what to say, but Angry Neighbor's gonna come back and Granny's gonna come back. So I'm gonna end the episode here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.